Good morning, beautiful azaleas. These are very light pink, and they're beautiful in the rain. The daffodils. And there's my little pea. Hey, Pea-chan. Where's Nona-chan? I'm coming home from our morning walk. The distant mountains are beautiful. Like a Sumie painting. And in the distance, there's Megamiyama, goddess mountain. Megami meaning, kami meaning God, me is female, so goddess. The sky's cloudy, and there's a slight drizzle, kozame, light rain. And the cedar in front of my home is very grand. You can see the raindrops falling on us. It's late spring, I guess. This is my mulberry tree. Kuanoki, mulberry. People don't really eat it here, the mulberry. But sometimes we collect it and make preserves. The birds. You can hear them having fun in the rain. The nightingale, Japanese nightingale, the ugurisu, is quiet this morning. You can hear her mixing in her song with all the other little birds. It's like a whole hokekyo in the distance. This is also a kuanoki, a mulberry tree. This little village was raising silkworms. And the silkworms, they feast upon the mulberry leaves. So there are little trees all around, and they were primarily cultivated for the leaves, for the silkworms. This village has a history of being very hidden deep in the mountains. And this is where supposedly the Heike and the Genji fought in a war, and the Heike lost and came into hiding in the various mountain villages. So this little village is one. That was the nightingale. And that was the pheasant. The nightingale, when it hasn't perfected its sound, it says ho 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 kekyo. But later in the spring and May, it will be really like perfected, and it will sing Oh, honkekyo. It's a tiny little bird and it has a huge song. A very huge, I guess, voice. Mm. So it was the pink moon yesterday, the day before yesterday, and it was so cloudy. Yesterday we didn't see it, but the day before it was very, very clear and bright and beautiful high in the sky. Hello there, Nightingale. That was a very beautiful call. Bird call, we say sometimes in English. Bird calls if you join a bird call society. We don't say bird cry or bird song so much, but bird call. Oh, so the nightingale is waking and singing her beautiful song. This is my mulberry tree. The house next door to me is deserted. In Japanese we say akiya. It's an open house. Aki meaning open or, yeah. And in English we say abandoned, which means we just left it. A house that is left forgotten. I was hoping to start a little art residency there. I've been here in this village for almost 20 years. That's a long time. I used to move every 6 months from country to country. Yeah, not just house to house. But I came to Japan in my late 20s and I sort of stayed. I'm not sure if that was a good idea. I lost a lot of things and gained a lot of things. But most of all, I think I lost love, which is heartbreaking. I was able to pursue my painting, and the Japanese craftsmen were very understanding about that. They made me 46-meter long silk woven canvases to paint upon, and museums gave me exhibitions and galleries. And I was able to leave Japan and participate in exhibitions around the world, teaching at universities for 3 months and then going on an art residency in another country for 3 months. 1 month, 2 months. Yeah, it was fun. I think it was ideal for me when I was young. Now I'm weaving a lot and painting, studying the kanasho, the calligraphy of the phonetic alphabet, not the Chinese characters. And I just received a wonderful telephone call this morning from a tea, omote senkei, a tea teacher. I studied omote senkei when I was in Tokyo for about 7 years. Yeah, I don't remember it very well, but it'll be fun to start again. She sounds like such a sweet, kind person. It will be fun. Chado. Cha is tea, do meaning the path. Chado, cha no yu. Cha meaning tea again. No is possessive, and yu is water, hot water. Those are used for this idea of tea ceremony in English. It isn't just the study of making tea and drinking it, but it's aesthetics. It's the study of beauty, which for me gives me life. Thank you, yeah, and a wonderful morning to you.